welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the PayPal mobile card reader. So this is what the box looks like when you purchase your PayPal mobile card reader. Right inside, once you take off the sleeve, you're going to see the little startup guide right there. Nice little sticker and an additional startup guide. And here you have your PayPal reader. So some quick pros and cons about this PayPal card reader is that it's pretty affordable. It's also really easy to set up as it comes with a free mobile app, and it does accept all types of credit cards. Some of the cons would be that it doesn't have the ability to accept chip payments or contactless payments. The headset jack that you need to plug this MagStripe reader into is unfortunately becoming obsolete for most cell phones, so it may not be compatible with your current cell phone, or it may not be compatible with your cell phone in the future. And the last thing would be the high processing fees that PayPal charges. So those are the quick pros and cons and the unboxing of the PayPal mobile reader. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Leave us a comment down below letting us know what else you'd like to see from us, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.